Welcome back to our channel, and thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so that we can bring you the latest news as they happen. And together we can support our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network to make our Biafran dream a reality and put the Fulani Janjaweed to shame. He said, the Fulani Nigerian Police IG, Usman Baba, fights back after the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria warned him to dismantle all the roadblocks in the southeast region, just the same way they did in the northern Nigeria. But Usman Baba, instead of accepting and carrying out that recommendation, he is rather fighting back. The Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, lamented that Nigeria is very broke and the police operatives have not been paid for months. And he said that the roadblocks in the southeast region is now the only means of livelihood for the Fulani police operatives, for them to feed their families. Imagine that. They put roadblock in southeast region and remove the ones in the northern regions. According to a report, the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria urged the Inspector General of Police, Usman Alkali Balba, to dismantle roadblocks mounted by Nigerian police personnel in the southeast region of Biafra land. The human rights group decried the increasing cases of accidents, vehicle accidents, in the region as a result of the police and military roadblocks. Apart from the auto accidents, the criminals, the Nigerian police criminals, and the Nigerian army terrorists usually shoot Biafrans at the roadblocks. They do that. ญีọኤİ가 is pained that security agents who ought to be the first law enforcement officers are flagrantly disobeying the judgment of a law court declaring the illegality of roadblocks in the southeast region. We all know that Nigeria is a lawless nation, and Buhari has no regard for the rule of law. Likewise, his terrorist Nigerian security agencies, they don't have regards for the rule of law. They have one law for the north, and they have another law for the south. And they still have another law for the southeast region of Biafra. That is how lawless Nigeria is. You know, according to the human rights writers, they said there should be investigation of illegal police killings of Biafran civilians, and for the constitutional independence of the Police Service Commission to be maintained. If they ever hope to build a professional policing institution in Nigeria that will operate by the principle of the rule of law and adherence to fundamental human rights provisions of the fraudulent Nigerian 1999 Constitution, it is even more lamentable that extortions go on at these roadblocks in Biafra land by the Fulani police officers and the Inspector General of Police, a Fulani terrorist, has turned a blind eye to the menace. Without any iota of doubt, the police have not learned any lesson from the nationwide EndSARS protest against police brutality and extrajudicial killings in October of 2020. How will they learn? When they are using the compromised Nigerian media and other gullible Nigerians in order to silence everyone who can witness to the EndSARS protest, where they massacred Nigerian youths, and the Fulani Nigerian government is supporting them. They can never learn. You know, the chief press secretary to the Benue State governor, ฐ์6 said that Governor Autumn has nothing personal against Buhari, the impostor. You know, he said that Governor Autumn had launched several attacks on the federal government controlled by the Fulani Nigerian government over insecurity, poor economy, and other major problems plaguing the country called Nigeria in the last 6 years. Because Buhari is an accomplice to the Fulani terrorism in Nigeria. You know, according to Benue State Governor's press secretary, he said that no sane person will keep quiet while his people are being killed on a daily basis. The world are aware of the killings that have been going on in all the local governments of Benue State by the Fulani terrorist killer herdsmen. We don't expect a sane governor to keep quiet. They will continue to speak and stand for their people, unlike Biafran governors, who are the ones aiding the Fulani terrorist army to kill innocent Biafrans instead of fighting for them. Buhari has spent over 7 years leading Nigeria blindly with zero positive legacy. The people who placed curse on these Fulani terrorists, Buhari, did him bad. They did him bad. The heartless Buhari mocked those massacred by Fulani terrorists in Nigeria because, according to him, they refused to surrender their ancestral lands for the Fulani Janjaweed to take over. That is how wicked, that is how evil the Nigerian Fulani government is. They are very wicked. They are heartless. They lack conscience. They have no conscience. How can they be putting roadblock in southeast region of Biafra? The whole of Biafra, there's roadblock. You go to the north, no roadblocks. And that is why the Fulani terrorists are operating freely without hindrance. And no one is apprehending them. No one. But the peaceful southeast region and the whole of Biafra, every little distance you move on the highway, you see roadblocks. extorting hard-working Biafrans of their money, and at the same time using the roadblocks to gather information and abducting and killing Biafran youths at the roadblocks. And that is why the roadblock has to stop. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for watching this video, and bye-bye for now.